Step-by-step guide, how to cancel ChartExpo Sankey Diagram subscription for Power BI. Click on the Cancel subscription to cancel the ChartExpo subscription. Slide the Show Link in Chart button to the right to turn it on. Click the Cancel button to cancel your subscription. When you navigate away from the Power BI environment, a pop-up will appear. Click the OK button to open the browser. Enter your email and select a reason for cancellation. Then click the Unsubscribe button. Your subscription for ChartExpo Sankey Diagram has been cancelled. ChartExpo will send you an email confirming your subscription cancellation. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.